of course, off to the wall.
Okay, the market opened then for you, and do remember we've been talking about a pretty healthy handover and what the rest of the world is up to. We seem to be on our own trajectory, laying low. I think that's how the markets have started off this morning. It's the broader end of the market, if anything, that you're seeing a little bit of flicker of interest, but it's very marginal. In terms of the individual sectors, banks are taking a back seat, FMCG not doing a whole lot, energy is in the red, auto more than making up, real estate is holding out in the green. Let's check in as to what some of the frontliners are up to. Cipla takes a back seat, Adani Ports in the red, Reliance Industries, yesterday's outperformer, is lackluster, ditto with an HDFC Bank, which was again a winner in trade yesterday. M&M powering through, and it's a result reaction. The bookings numbers we were talking about as well, the kind of strong reaction that's expected, so no surprises there. It's taking up along with it, by the way, a Hero Moto, a Tata Motors, they're all also a buzz in trade. Bharti Airtel, ONGC and Aisha Bajaj Auto in the green.
Absolutely. For the index, of course, it's a lot more tempered right now, but that's okay. And, there's a long list of other earnings reactions as well. First, let's start off with the ones which are a beat. So it's not just M&M, but Biocon as well, wherein the biosimilar business revenue has come in higher by 12%. Margins, EBITDA are all above estimates. Crompton, of course, is a big beat. You can see an 8.5% gap up on Crompton. Concor has delivered a strong set. Keynes has gapped up almost 13% right now. Vodafone Idea, what is that up to? It's a sizable capex that they've announced. So that stock also is going to come up for you on your screens. That starts off in the positive. About 1330 is where that stock is. Endurance Technology as well, good set of numbers. We were just talking about that. Triveni Turbine, IFL Securities have all been an earnings beat. 7.5% of a gap up coming in on Endurance as we speak right now. IFL as well jumps up 5% nearly. And Alcargo is the other one which will just come up for your screens. Triveni Turbine as well, 4.5% higher. Not such a great set from Prince Pipes, AkzoNobel, Ratnamani Metal, Kim's, wherein there's been a margin squeeze, EBITDA downtick as well, and JK Paper also, which has been a bit of a disappointment. Kunal, but what's the tone of the market looking like to start with?
I think still a positive tone when you look at the stocks. So not too much on the index, 22,400 broadly for the Nifty and 48,000, 47,900 for the Bank Nifty. But I believe that the data which we're looking out for is follow through in terms of individual stocks. Now, as an opening trade, I would believe L&T is something which has started to look very attractive. The stock has corrected by almost 600 points in the last 3 months from 3,800 mark towards 3,200 level. So I think at 3,400 plus mark, the risk reward is very much positive for the stock.
Okay, let's get in a take from you then, Naresh, and it looks like both of you are eyeing the large caps.
Yeah, so looking at Reliance Industries as a risk reward trade here at 2830 to 2860 mark, expecting a slow and steady recovery to 2950, and once that crosses, it could be a major breakout. So Reliance is a buy on dips from here on.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.